guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look. This is a very easy, simple and practical makeup look. I won't say this that I did this makeup look with just 5 or 6 products, but actually with those products which I believe most of you would be having. So this is a top secret information. You're not supposed to tell anyone, okay? So I am planning to make some exciting videos for you guys, like 99.9% summer proof makeup look and full face of makeup, like fresh summery makeup look. So stay tuned for that. Now coming back to this makeup look, there are so many steps that are optional, so suit yourself and choose accordingly. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I prepped up my skin and did my skincare routine. Now I'm going to start with primer, and for primer I'm taking Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. थोड़ा सा इसे fingers में लेंगे और I'm going to apply this all over my face. It mattifies my skin and creates a sort of blur effect on my skin. Now moving on to foundation, I'm using Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, but obviously you can go for sheer or medium coverage foundation. कैमरा में इतना वाइट क्यों लग रहा है? Now it's time to set my base with a compact powder, and I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. I'm in the shade 03 Silky Golden, and I'm using this big fluffy brush to powder my face. Just dab off the excess and then applying it on my under eyes, on my eyelids, around my mouth, on my T-zone. Now that I've set my base, it's time to do my brows, and I'm using this Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil. So you get spoolie on one side and actual product on another side. So I'm going to comb through my eyebrow first. Now I'm using the pencil side to define my brows, going with short strokes. Now it's time to contour my face, and I'm using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour. Obviously this step is also optional, so if you want to skip this step you can, but if you want to contour your face and if you do not have any such product, then you can use your eyeshadow as well, but make sure it should be 2 or 3 shades darker than your actual skin tone. Now moving on to blush, I will suggest you to do not skip blush because it gives you healthy glow on your skin. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush. I'm in the shade Mellow Wine, and if you do not have any blush, then you can use your lipstick as well, or even a pink or a peach eyeshadow. Dab off the excess, smile and apply. Moving on to eyes, I am using Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour again, and using this contour shade, I'm just going to apply this all over my crease to define my eyes. looking weird right now. I'm sorry. Moving on to kohl, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate in the shade brown, and I'm just going to apply this as a liner as well as a kajal. इसे थोड़ा सा smudge भी करेंगे. So after this, I've also applied black kohl as a liner, and somehow that part didn't record, so I'm really sorry for that. Then I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Voluminous Press Mascara and going as close as possible to my lash line and just wiggling it there. Now moving on to lips, I'm using Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Lip Color in the shade Rosette Motif and applying this all over my lips. So yes, this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial with some top secret information. And also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And do let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.